In this video, we'll look at how to set up Macanta workflow boards, which work very much like a Kanban board, which you may be familiar with. So this again is an admin function. And what the workflow board will do is it'll give you the ability to have a good overview of a data set. So let's say we've got our opportunities. I can then in one place see which opportunities are in what stages. So we go to Data Tools, Workflow Board Setup, and we'll go and add a board. And here we'll say with our opportunities. And the key field for us is going to be the opportunity stage. And what that does is the key field is what determines the columns on the Kanban board. So you'll see that in a moment. The relationship, again, we want to see the client, but a sales manager might want to see sales reps. So you build a different one. If you don't want it to just be monochrome, you can choose to have colors. And then you go and choose, well, what information do I want to see? First name, email, and phone for us will do. And we'll go next action date and next action notes and opportunity ID. We won't do the stage because our column will indicate the stage for us. And then I can just save that. And then we refresh. And then we have our buttons here, top and bottom, for viewing the workflow boards. And there you can see we've now created the board. The options in our drop-down field on our data object. So if I go back to the opportunity here, the options in this field is what determines the columns, because we've set it as our key field. So it's a select field drop-down. It has these options. So what you now have is the ability to just say, well, okay, this one here, I'm moving it to proposal, and to a large extent, you're performing the same action as if you've moved that field to proposal. You then have the option here where you can edit the opportunity without having to load the contact and come away from your workflow board. To go straight back, you can delete it should you need to. You can preview the contact that is related if you need to see additional information, or you can go directly to the contact, where you can then, of course, see both the contact and the opportunity details there. So that is how you set up and then use the workflow boards in Macanta.